This slide is from the esophagus. The current magnification is 40x total magnification. Now what we're looking for are the 4 different layers or 4 tunics that are found in the esophagus. So before we zoom in, you can actually see the 4 different layers from this view. This very, very thin line right out here, that would be the adventitia. It's the most external of the layers. Moving inside from about here to here, you notice it looks like it's 2 different tissues. Well, it's the same tissue, smooth muscle, but these 2 layers together make up your Muscularis Externa. Now the Muscularis Externa has this portion of it, which is going to be the longitudinal layer, and then this portion over here, this is going to be your circular layer. Now you're saying, well, how do you know that? We're in a cross section right now. If you look at these fibers right here, so if we zoom in a little bit, you can see how it looks like they're poking out of the screen at you. They're going into and out of the screen. That means they're running down the length of the esophagus, hence longitudinal. But these over here, you can notice they're going in bands going around the esophagus. That's why those are the circular layers. Now moving inwards from the adventitia to the Muscularis Externa to this area right here. This area is going to be known as your submucosa. And then the most internal layer is comprised of actually 3 different regions here. You can see this portion of muscle, this portion of connective tissue, and this portion of epithelium. Together, all 3 of these are going to make up the mucosa. Now this layering right here, this portion of mucosa, is going to be the Muscularis mucosae. This is your smooth muscle. This area right here, this is going to be the lamina propria. The lamina propria is mostly made of connective tissue. While this area right here that you can see tracing around, this is going to be epithelium. Now in this case, in the esophagus, it's going to be stratified squamous. In the very center here, this is where the chewed up food or the bolus will be moving through. This is the lumen. You can see how it looks like it's very thin. That's because the esophagus is usually collapsed unless something is being pushed through. So our layers or tunics go from the outside, the adventitia, to this layer, which is going to be your Muscularis Externa, to this layer, which is the submucosa, to this layer, which is the mucosa. So this is going to be your esophagus with the 4 tunics of the GI tract.